Welcome to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz. Today's current affairs. Let's begin. அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவிற்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைய நடப்பு நிகழ்வுகள். தொடங்குவோம். Question 1. India recently achieved its target for blending what percentage of ethanol in petrol, a move that has sparked discussions about its impact on vehicle performance? The correct answer is 20%. India achieved its C20, 20% ethanol blending target well ahead of schedule, prompting further discussions on its implications for the automotive sector and fuel efficiency. சரியான பதில் 20%. 20%. Question 2. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently urged Amarnath Yatra pilgrims to embrace 5 Sankalps. Which of the following is not one of these resolutions? The correct answer is promoting digital payments. The 5 Sankalps mentioned by PM Modi for Amarnath Yatra pilgrims focus on cleanliness, safety, environmental care, supporting local economies, and national service. Promoting digital payments was not explicitly mentioned as one of the 5. சரியான பதில். Question 3. Who was recently appointed as the new Vice-Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University, RGU, in Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer is Dr. Shivraj. Dr. Shivraj has recently been appointed as the new Vice-Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University, RGU, in Arunachal Pradesh. சரியான பதில். Question 4. The 4th Buddhist Council was held during the reign of which Kushan ruler? The correct answer is Kanishka. The 4th Buddhist Council was held in Kashmir during the reign of the Kushan ruler Kanishka, around 1972 AD. சரியான பதில் 72. Question 5. Which article of the Indian Constitution grants the right to constitutional remedies, allowing citizens to move the Supreme Court for the enforcement of fundamental rights? The correct answer is Article 32. Article 32 of the Indian Constitution is known as the right to constitutional remedies, allowing individuals to seek justice from the Supreme Court for violations of their fundamental rights. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called it the heart and soul of the Constitution. சரியான பதில் 32. 32. Question 6. The Nanda Devi Peak is located in which Indian state? The correct answer is Uttarakhand. Nanda Devi is the second highest mountain in India and the highest entirely within the country. It is located in the Gadwal Himalayas in the state of Uttarakhand. சரியான பதில். Question 7. When was the New Economic Policy, NEP, which included economic liberalization measures, introduced in India? The correct answer is 1991. The New Economic Policy, comprising liberalization, privatization, and globalization, LPG, reforms, was introduced in India in 1991 under the Narasimha Rao government. சரியான பதில் 1991. 1991. Question 8. Who is credited with the invention of the electric light bulb? The correct answer is Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison is widely credited with inventing the practical long-lasting electric light bulb in 1879. சரியான பதில் 1879. Question 9. The Kaziranga National Park, famous for its one-horned rhinoceros, is located in which state? The correct answer is Assam. Kaziranga National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in the state of Assam and is renowned for hosting two-thirds of the world's great one-horned rhinoceroses. Sariyana Badil. Question 10. The Tawang Monastery, one of the largest Buddhist monasteries in the world, is situated in which district of Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer is Tawang. Tawang Monastery, also known as Galden Namge Lhats, is located in the Tawang district of Arunachal Pradesh and is the largest monastery in India. Sariyana Badil. Question 11. What does E20 fuel refer to, as recently discussed in India's automobile sector? Irandu Puchiyam. The correct answer is fuel with 20% ethanol blended with petrol. E20 fuel is a blend of 20% ethanol with 80% petrol, aimed at reducing crude oil imports and carbon emissions. Sariyana Badil, 20%. Irandu Puchiyam, 20%. Question 12. India recently signed a historic free trade agreement, FTA, with which country? Set to be implemented later this year? FTA. The correct answer is New Zealand. India and New Zealand recently inked a free trade agreement, FTA, to boost bilateral trade and economic cooperation. Sariyana Badil. FTA. Question 13. Who has recently been appointed as the new Vice-Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University, RGU, Arunachal Pradesh? RGU. The correct answer is Dr. Shivraj. Dr. Shivraj has been appointed as the new Vice-Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University, Arunachal Pradesh. Sariyana Badil. Question 14. Indian scientists recently discovered a rare bow and arrow radio galaxy. What is this phenomenon primarily indicative of? The correct answer is a galaxy falling supersonically into a cluster environment. The bow and arrow radio galaxy, Radberg, is considered one of the clearest known radio signatures of a giant bow shock generated by a galaxy falling supersonically into a cluster environment. Sariyana Badil. Radberg. Question 15. Which Mughal emperor is credited with the construction of the Red Fort in Delhi? The correct answer is Shah Jahan. The Red Fort, Lal Killa, in Delhi was constructed by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, who also built the Taj Mahal. Sariyana Badil. Question 16. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the Directive Principles of State Policy, DPSP? DBSP? The correct answer is Part 4. Part 4 of the Indian Constitution, Articles 36 to 51, contains the Directive Principles of State Policy, which are guidelines for the state to promote social and economic democracy. Sariyana Badil, 4. 4, 36 முதல் 51 வரை. Question 17. Which of the following rivers is known as the Dakshin Ganga, Ganga of the South? The correct answer is Godavari. The Godavari River is often referred to as the Dakshin Ganga due to its length, size, and cultural significance in South India. Sariyana Badil. Question 18. The concept of mixed economy was adopted in India during which 5-year plan? The correct answer is second 5-year plan. The second 5-year plan, 1956 to 1961, under the leadership of P.C. Mahalanobis, laid the foundation for a mixed economy model with a focus on rapid industrialization. Sariyana Badil. Dude, 1956 முதல் 1961 வரை. Question 19. Which of the following is the largest gland in the human body? The correct answer is liver. The liver is the largest internal organ and gland in the human body, performing various metabolic functions. Sariyana Badil. Question 20. When was the Wildlife Protection Act enacted in India? The correct answer is 1972. The Wildlife Protection Act was enacted in 1972 by the Government of India for the protection of plants and animal species. Sariyana Badil, 1972. 1972. Question 21. What does E20 fuel, recently in news regarding vehicle performance and government targets, primarily refer to? 2. The correct answer is 20% ethanol blended with 80% petrol. E20 fuel refers to a blend of 20% ethanol with 80% petrol, a target India recently achieved. Sariyana Badil, 80% 20%. 20% 80%. Question 22. Who was recently appointed as the new Vice-Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University, RGU, a central university in Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer is Dr. Shivraj. Dr. Shivraj was recently appointed as the new Vice-Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University. Sariyana Badil. Question 23. Which of the following statements is true regarding the Overseas Citizen of India, OCI, card? OCI? The correct answer is it is a lifelong visa for OCIs to enter and stay in India. An OCI card is a lifelong visa for overseas citizens of India to enter and stay in India, exempting them from reporting to police authorities. Sariyana Badil. Question 24. An Indian team recently discovered a rare bow and arrow radio galaxy. What is the approximate distance of this newly discovered galaxy from Earth? The correct answer is 2 billion light-years. The newly discovered bow and arrow radio galaxy is approximately 2 billion light-years from Earth. Sariyana Badil. Question 25. Which Indian state recently launched a mega plantation drive and an indigenous fruit mission as part of its Green Vision initiatives during the 77th Van Mahotsav week? 77. The correct answer is Assam. Assam launched the Mega Plantation Drive and Indigenous Fruit Mission as part of its Green Vision during Van Mahotsav Week. Sariyana Badil. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Arjuna Government Exams Quiz for a new quiz every day. பார்த்ததற்கு நன்றி. தினமும் ஒரு புதிய வினாடி வினாவிற்கு அர்ஜுனா அரசு தேர்வு வினாடி வினாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யுங்கள்.